Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Drea from Le Crochet. If you like what you see here, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Today we will be making my favorite hat of all, my extreme ruffle bucket hat. I will be using this Red Heart ombre yarn. It's like a mixture of lavender, light purple, dark purple, and my trusty 5mm hook. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so like any other project, we're going to start with our slip knot, okay? And we're going to chain up 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 chains. We're going to take our hook, go into the very first stitch, and create a magic circle. So we're going to do a slip stitch to create the circle that we'll be working into. And here's my circle. It's very tiny. So we're going to 1, 2, chain 2, which will act as like a double crochet, and then we're going to do 12 double crochet into this magic circle. So here's my 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There we go. Okay, let me turn it around. So I crocheted 12 double crochet into my center circle, my magic circle, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to now slip stitch into the top of the very first stitch to close off this circle, okay? So we're going to go in, pull through, and then that'll close it off. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn our work, and we're going to put 2 double crochets into every stitch around, okay? So 2 in this one, 2 in that one, 2 in that one, 2 double crochet. So 1 and 2 into my first stitch. 1 and 2 into my second stitch. 1 and 2 into my third stitch, and we're going to do that all the way around. 2 double crochet into each of the 12 stitches that we did. Okay, so now I'm approaching the end of this circle. Remember in the beginning we did the 2 chains up, and I said that would act as a double crochet. So here we are back at this one, and you'll notice at the end that will be the only one that's single because we put 2 double crochet all around. You're going to put 1 double crochet into that stitch to make that your 2 double crochet, okay? So we're going to end it with this double crochet going into our, I guess, 13th double crochet that we did, and then we're going to slip stitch into the top and close that circle right off, and then this is what you should end up with. We'll then chain up 2, 1, 2, flip our work. Okay, so we're going into our second row, but technically it will be our first increase row, okay? So we'll be making increases from the first row into the 4th row, okay? So in the first increase row, we're going to double crochet into the first stitch, like so. Tab say like so, like that. And then into the second, we'll put 2 double crochet. So the pattern for this first increase row is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet. And we're going to be doing 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet all the way around until we get back to the beginning. Okay. Okay, we are approaching the end of our first increase row. I'm going to end with my last double crochet, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the top per usual to close off our circle. And this is what it should look like. This is how we're looking so far. Okay. So we're going to chain our 2, flip our work, and we're now going into our second increase row, where we're going to do 1 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 double crochet into the second stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the third stitch. So instead of doing 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, we're doing 2 double crochets each, and then 2 double crochets in 1. So 2, 2, 2 and 1, 2 in the next, 2 and 1, if that makes sense. So 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet, and then we're doing 2 double crochet into 1. Okay, you see that? This is 2 and 2, 2 like single, and then 2 into 1 stitch. So we have 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet into the same stitch. All right, and we're going to do that all the way around until we get back to the top. Okay, I am approaching the end of my second increase row. I'm going to make my last double crochet into this stitch, and then of course we are slip stitching into the top to close off our circle. And here we are. Row 3 of increase. We are going to chain up 2, turn our work, and like the other 2 rows, we're just going to increase by 1. So we're going to do 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the following stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, so now we're at 3, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then we're doing 1, 2 into the very same stitch. So you should have 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So now it's just 3 double crochet and then your increase of 2 into the same hole. All right. Meet you back around. Okay, here I am at the end of my 3rd round, about to do my last double crochet to close off my row, my slip stitch into the top chain to close it off, and then we're chaining up 2, and we're going into our 4th row of increase. Now let me explain something to you. I've made a lot of these hats. I've sold a lot of these hats, and I normally crochet up to row 4. I guess you would call it the standard adult head. It's just worked for everybody that I've made one for, including myself. If you feel like your head is a little bit smaller than usual, I would want to say, then I suggest you stop at the 3rd row increase, and I'll meet you back there. We're going to wind up doing single rows, no more increases. We're just going to do double crochet all the way around. If you would like to start that now, you could at the end of your increase, only if you feel like your head is a little smaller than usual. If you got like a little tiny head, there's nothing wrong with that. But I would stop at my 3rd increase. For me, I got a big old head or a normal head. So I'm going to do up to 4 increase, okay? Okay, so on to my 4th increase row. Of course, we had our double two, no. Of course, we have our 2 chains, okay, and then we flipped our work, and we are doing 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets, and then we're going to do our increase stitch of 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 double crochets, and then increase of 2 double crochets into the same stitch. All right, and we're doing that all the way around, and then I'll meet you at the end. Okay guys, so here I am. First, let me just show my work to see if yours resemble mine. It should resemble this. Okay, I'm approaching the end of my 4th increase. I'm going to do my last double crochet, and then I'm going to slip stitch per usual into the top of the 1st stitch. All right, now we are done with increases. We are going to chain up 2 and begin our normal rows of double crochet all the way around. I typically like to do, this will also close the head, and like you see where it's just like a circle, this is where you're going to see your head start forming. Okay, so we're going to do double crochets all the way around. I typically go up to about 8 rows because I like my head to fit just above my eyebrow. So as we go, I suggest you keep trying on your head to see if you like where your head sits on your head, okay? So we're just going to go double crochet into every stitch all the way around our circle, okay? And of course, we're going to be slip stitching into the top of the last stitch once we come to the end, because I think I'm just going to speed through this. I think you guys got it now. I'm more than sure you guys have it now. I'm just going to go on and do my 8 rows of double crochet, and then I will meet you back at ruffle time, where it's time to make our extreme ruffles. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, so we are at the end of our rows. I did my 8 rows of double crochet, and that formed my head, the bucket part for our head before the ruffles. Okay, so now of course we did our chain 2. Of course my hook came out, but we chained up 2 after our last row, and here for the fun part. Here is where we start our ruffle rolls, okay? So to make the ruffle rolls, all we're doing is making 3 increases, 3 double crochet increases into each stitch going all the way around, okay? So literally we are doing double crochet 1, 2, and 3 into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3 double crochets into the same stitch, and in every stitch all the way around. So 1, 2, and 3 double crochet into every stitch around, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, I am at the end of my first row of ruffles. This is what we are looking like. Looks a little square right now, but trust me, it won't look like that when it's on your head. So we have our first layer of ruffles. Okay, and that is with 3 double crochet into every stitch going around. Now, we are literally repeating this stage until you are at the desired height or desired row of ruffles that you would like for your head. I typically do 3 rows of ruffles for my head because I like that full look, and that normally gets me something that looks like this. Nice and full all the way around. It looks super, super cute when it's on, okay? So that was row 1. I'm literally repeating those steps. Of course, we slip stitch into the top. To start our next row, we always chain up 2, flip our work, and we are again doing 3 double crochet into every stitch around. 1, 2, and 3 into the same stitch all the way around. Okay. Now this is very time consuming. This is the part that's like my least favorite. It's fun in the beginning, but then after a while it just gets really redundant and then you just get tired of doing it. But hang in there. It turns out extremely cute. I am going to do this up to 3 rows. So we already did our 1. This is my second, and then I'll do 1 more and I'll come back with the finished product. I'm sure you guys can handle it from here. So I'll see you at the end. Okay, guys, we are done. We are done. Look at her. She is beautiful. She is full. I'm loving these ruffles. She came out absolutely perfect. I'm hoping yours came out the same. I hope this tutorial was easy for you to understand. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And I'm always open for constructive criticism. Keyword, constructive. There I am. Y'all know I don't like to be on here, but I had to show you just how cute this fit was. Like, it's so cute. It looks like flowers. Okay, I'm done. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video.